Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to scroll down again and tap on backup to Google Drive. Now tap on next and choose add account. Make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on the option and learn more, and then tap on I agree after reading. Alright, so here we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so photos and videos, or other device data, or both. So just mark the option, I'll choose only other device data, and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup. And here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. And as you can see here, we've got the information that the device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.